Mexico may be returning to in-person learning at the end of the month, but Jose Gonzalez, who lives in the rural outskirts of Mexico City, has been back in his classroom since February. The only difference is he's one of the only students. While Jose might have had to travel an hour to his nearest high school before the pandemic, now the teachers come to him, holding classes in COVID-safe social bubbles.
No, pues se cerraron las escuelas y
When the schools closed down, we didn't have the possibility to move my children to online classes. They simply had to stop studying. So it's great that this initiative has come to help us.
gracias a Dios está lo de CONAFE.
Indeed, this bubble school model, limited class sizes in which members spend their time solely between their homes and their classrooms, is being seen as a template for the wider country. Mexicans are nervous about the return of students to school. The country is in the middle of a third wave of COVID-19 with the highest infection rates yet. And while kids may not be at such great risk of the virus, their bringing it home from the classroom is a serious concern. And initiatives like bubble schools may ease some of that angst. For the teachers, it's also a relief. Areli Colin, a trainee nurse, is holding classes for the kids in this pop-up school.
El poder aportar un poquito.
Being able to help these remote communities is a great satisfaction. These kids have not had access to education during the pandemic, and it's very important that we do our part. It's a very nice experience.
Berenice Olmos is the director of this regional programme and says it's a vital initiative to keep students at their studies despite the health crisis.
Nuestros grupos son pequeños.
Our class sizes are small, and the Delta variant of the virus is causing many infections. That's why I think our model can be an important example. However, I have no doubt that the wider return to classrooms will be a success.
As Mexico returns to school at the end of August, how its educational institutions manage virus protocols may come to define the future of the country's pandemic. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, Mexico City.